it starts with transitioning right here in your mind. Okay. I was at a industry event, a live event, and I forget who the speaker was, but they got up and they said, what is the number one thing holding you back from getting your business to the next level? And I remember writing this down, going, well, I got to stop thinking like an automotive person in business, and I got to be a business person that's in automotive. So my background, I was an ASE master certified L1 technician. I was the problem solver. Hey, we got this electrical problem. We got this drivability problem. We got all these problems, right? And I took pride in that, like a lot of us do as technicians. We got into the industry because we love fixing things. We love helping people. We weren't thinking business. We were thinking, hey, we like fixing things. And so what I realized is that's only going to get us so far. And what I went in talking to shop owners, hundreds of them, thousands all over the country, that's where they stop. They go, I'm a really good technician, but I'm not really a great business person. And so that becomes that barrier to be able to grow. We're going to talk about that a little bit. So just because I wrote it out doesn't mean I just changed overnight and I went back. And all of a sudden was a new person. This has been an evolution of who I am as a person, going away from being a technician to being a business person. And so you got to be willing to commit to that journey and get out of your comfort zone if you're going to make this work. If you're like, man, I just want to be a technician, we need you. That's great, but this journey may not be for you.